Hey, I'm Ramona, and I'm about to show you something shocking, so take a deep breath and watch the following video.
How to get started. It's extremely easy to start rewriting your first article. No matter where you are inside your Spin Rewriter account, you can always click the home link in the top menu. It will take you to the home page of your account where you can decide if you want to spin either a single article or multiple articles. Click your preferred option and you will get to step 1 of the spinning process. Step 1. Spinning a single article. Say you decided to spin a single article and you picked the Rewrite a Single Article option. You should now simply paste your original article in the large input field on the page to get started. Spin Rewriter will autosave your article as soon as you paste it in the large input field, this way you never lose any of your work. Spin Rewriter will also count the words for you and let you know if anything seems to be wrong with your article. Just below the article, on the left-hand side of the screen, you will see the Settings button. Click it to open the settings where you can enable additional ENL semantic spinning features that let you spin your article on paragraph and sentence level. If you want Spin Rewriter to rewrite your article on paragraph and sentence level as well, simply check the appropriate checkboxes. If you want Spin Rewriter to analyze the actual role each word plays in a sentence, subject, object, adverb, and completely rewrite the structure of your sentences, you will see a checkbox for that as well. You can also rewrite your original article on the sentence and paragraph level manually if you wish. You can do this by highlighting various sentences and paragraphs with your mouse pointer. Our system will help you add alternative variations of sentences and paragraphs while making sure that you're always using flawless spinning syntax. Here's an example. First sentence. Vertical bar alternative version of the first sentence. Once you're satisfied with all of your settings, you can click the Rewrite Article button and you'll be taken to step 2 of the spinning process. Step 1. Spinning multiple articles. If you want to spin multiple articles, click the Rewrite Multiple Articles option on the home page of your account. At this point you can simply enter your articles in one of the supported formats, pick additional spinning settings, and click the Rewrite Multiple Articles button. Spin Rewriter will do all of the work and then take you directly to your archive where you'll find your freshly spun articles. Step 2. Selecting synonyms. Once you've clicked the Rewrite Article button in Step 1, you will proceed to Step 2. This is where the actual magic happens. You are now rewriting your article. Remember these tips to really maximize your productivity with Spin Rewriter. Selecting a word will give you a list of all synonyms that are available for that word. You can select individual words by simply clicking on them. You can also select phrases by clicking on the blue highlight that appears as you hover over a phrase. Phrases with synonyms are marked with an underline. You can quickly jump to the next / previous word by using and keys. You can also jump to the next, previous word by using Shift+A and Shift+S. Individual words that have synonyms available are displayed in blue. Multi-word phrases that have synonyms available are underlined. Once you've selected a word and you see the list of available synonyms, you can always add your own additional synonyms using the input field at the top of the list. At the top of the list of synonyms you will also find 4 quick buttons. The custom button is selected by default. You can use the top button to quickly select all reliable, top, synonyms. You can use the All button to quickly select all available synonyms. You can use the Apply to All button to quickly apply the synonyms you've selected to every other occurrence of the current word in the entire article. You can use the one-click rewrite option on the entire article with 3 different readability settings: more readable and less unique, recommended, or less readable and more unique. Your spintax can have multiple levels, i.e. you can add synonyms to brand new synonyms. Once you're done rewriting your article, simply click the Finalize Article button. Step 3. Generating unique versions. Alright, you're almost done. In the final step, your article gets automatically fixed in terms of punctuation, proper usage of the A and indefinitely, and even export those unique variations as text files. Every time you preview one of the unique variations of your spun article, you can also quickly run it through Copyscape to make sure it's 100% unique. Step 3 is also where you can select the category for your article and update the archived name of your article. This lets you stay organized and able to easily find your articles in your archive at any later time. Step 4. You can add a video or picture. from the library to give your article a professional, unique look that helps you get high copyscape score.
Cool, right? Call us or click the link below. We look forward to working with you.